So I've chosen to come to the college to get a qualification in coaching because I believe that everybody has like the ability to coach. Because I'm in a chair, I believe that it's good for me to be like a role model to the younger generation. So if they see me doing it, they'll believe that they can achieve anything.
It was a bit of a split decision really, so I was caught between the high school that I was at and their sixth form and coming here. And then I got an email from Andrew Williams and just came down to have a look, and it was a no-brainer from there really.
As part of my course I go and help young students with disabilities in different schools. Go and help them coach and help me develop as a coach also, and help them develop with their sports also.
We do sort of both practical and academic, so the academic side's more anatomy, sort of bones, muscles, movement of joints, things like that. We also do sort of psychology and things as part of that academic as well.
Last year I did a lot of outdoors part of the course, which was special to me because obviously I've never been in a kayak or haven't done stuff like that because of the chair, so just doing small things like that has been a big part of the college, and I'll remember that forever, yeah.
They've got really good facilities here, you know, having 2 gyms, the academy gym especially. I really love going in there sort of Monday morning, makes your day a little bit better. And then obviously having sort of access to video analysis and 4G pictures and things as well, it all makes it a really, really good experience.
I think the facilities are amazing, because obviously I'm in a wheelchair myself, that it's perfect. I've not felt excluded or like everything's normal. Like the teachers have worked around the sessions, especially in the gym for me. So yeah, everything's perfect here, yeah.
Being on the course that I'm doing now, it's given me a lot of opportunities to go and do other qualifications. Usually I would be quite laid back and wouldn't be able to put myself out there, but over the past couple of years I've been putting myself out there and being a bit more confident about myself.
It's made me believe in myself more, because I'm quite hard on myself. So I think I was the first student in a chair to want to do a sports course. I was like, they wouldn't accept me because of the wheelchair, and it's just made me believe that you can achieve whatever you want.
I'd say if you're a bit split like I was between maybe 2 or 3 schools, just don't even hesitate, because it's definitely worth being here instead, especially in a rugby and a sport perspective.
Come to college, just do it and believe in yourself, and yeah, just take everything that comes your way.